In this video, I will show you how to rotate table in Google Docs. Okay, so just to be clear, Google Docs does not offer any direct option by which you can do this, but there's a trick. First of all, open snipping tool on your computer by going over here on the search bar. Search here snipping tool. Now you can also press Window plus Shift plus S from your keyboard and the snipping tool will open. Now click on New and select this area. Take the screenshot. Now the screenshot is saved. Click on Insert right over here on top left. Click on Image and click on Upload from Computer. Now select the screenshot by going over here on the Pictures and click on Screenshot. Open the screenshot. Now here, as you can see, you can rotate this picture as you want. Now the result is in front of you. So that's how you can rotate table in Google Docs. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.